SD card safety. When and how to remove.
Hey there, technology enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the question many of us have wondered about. Is it safe to remove the SD card while the phone is still turned on? Let's break it down.
What happens when you remove an SD card?
Whenever you remove an SD card from a device, you're interrupting its connection to the system. For a phone, this means potentially 1. Interrupting file transfers or read-write operations. 2. Causing software errors if apps are using data from the SD card. 3. Risking data corruption on the card itself.
Is it safe then?
In most modern smartphones, there are safety measures to prevent data corruption. Yet, just because there are safety measures, it doesn't mean you should frequently yank out your SD card without precautions. It's safest when the phone is completely turned off. It's risky when the phone is actively using or writing data to the SD card. For instance, when you're transferring files, taking photos, or downloading content. So, the short answer is no, it's not always safe to remove the SD card while the phone is on. However, if you're sure no data is being written or accessed, the risk is minimized.
What's the safest way to remove an SD card?
If you absolutely must remove the SD card while your phone is on, 1. Close all apps that might be using the SD card. 2. Head to Settings, navigate to Storage Settings, and look for an option like Unmount SD card or Eject SD card. Use this option to safely disconnect the SD card from the system. 3. Wait a few moments after selecting this option before physically removing the SD card. By following these steps, you drastically reduce the risk of damaging your data or the SD card itself. So, there you have it. While it's tempting to just pop out the SD card, it's best to be cautious. Always prioritize the safety of your data. We hope this guide has been enlightening. Remember to always treat your devices with care, and they'll serve you well. Happy teching!